Hey YouTube, I'm going to do a bike check. I'll start from the front. I've got ODI long neck grips that are stretched out so they feel nicer. Odyssey lumberjack bars. I haven't been riding them for too long, but they feel nice. I've got Fly Bike's potencia stem. I've only had it for a few weeks now, but it's holding up, hasn't slipped yet. Stolen vortex fork bolt. Stolen vortex forks. My front tire is a premium refuse resist. It's alright. I wouldn't recommend getting it because it's gigantic and it barely fits in front of your into your forks, so you can't pump it up to like 110 psi or else it'll just not move. My front wheel is an alienation. What is it? Deviant rim. Thanks to a demolition bulimia hub. The hub is really smooth. The rim is super light. The wheel itself weighs like nothing. My frame is a tree little buddy frame. I like the geometry. It's a solid frame. It doesn't weigh much. I like it overall. My headset is Cane Creek. It holds up nice, spins nice, I guess. I have fit flow cranks. They're kind of like profiles, just a little fatter. I like those a lot. Odyssey twisted PC pedals, which I think I'm going to go with Shadow Ravagers next time I get new pedals because the pins wear down really fast on these. I've got a Shadow Crow seat. It's kind of fat, but I don't know, feels nice. United Seatpost, integrated Seatpost clamp. On the other side, I've got an Animal Sprocky Balboa 25 tooth. Just a standard chain. I don't even know what it is. I think it's a Cult. I've got Fit FAF 2.3 back tire. It's nice for the back. I don't like it for the front though. My back wheel is a alienation runaway rim laced to a Shadow Raptor hub. It's loud and I like it. I'll show you. I run Shadow Little Ones pegs, and I've just got the hub guard that's made for the hub right there. And my bottom bracket is Fit, I think. And I think that's everything. Subscribe, and I'll have some edits out soon.